Yes, children, let's continue the class. Modes of transport. Land, water, and air are three modes of transport. First one is land transport. Car, bicycle, train, etc. are land transport. So, cars, bicycle, trains, etc. are the land transport. Yes or no, children? So bicycle, motorcycle and cars are used to travel short distance. So bicycle, motorcycle or cars are used to travel a short distance. For long distance we'll use train, bus and all, no, children. So in short distance we'll go means bicycle, motorcycle and all we will go. Buses are used to travel short and long distance. We will go in the bus, no, children, for a short or long distances. So no, for out of station you will go. Otherwise it will be long means you will go in the bus. Yes or no? So trucks are used to carry the goods. You have seen the trucks, no, children. So trucks are used to carry the goods. Yes or no, children? We use train to travel a long distance. We will use train to long distance. Trains runs on a railway tracks. Trains runs on a railway tracks. All these land vehicles run on wheels. All these land vehicles run on their wheels. Okay, children. All these land vehicles run on wheels. See, children, wheels. Okay. Trains run on the railway track. Okay. Water transport. We use boat and steamers to cross the rivers. We need ship and liners to travel or send goods to other countries across sea and ocean. Okay, children, we will use boat to cross the rivers. No, children, ship and all you have seen. So we need ship and liners to travel or send the goods to other countries across the sea and ocean. Air transport. Now we can see the air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Vehicles like aeroplane fly in the air and carry hundreds of passengers. Vehicles like aeroplane fly in the sky, no, children, and carry hundreds of passengers. Okay, children, we can reach far away places in a very short time. We can reach far away places in a very short time. Helicopters are used for flying short distance. Helicopters are used for flying short distance. So, cargo planes, cargo planes carry only goods. Have you seen the cargo planes, children? See, children, this is cargo planes. Okay. So, that cargo planes carry only goods, children. Okay, that is your end of your lesson.